recording, and this video is being recorded. So, how have you been so far, sir?
I'm feeling great. How about you?
Yes, I'm also so ecstatic. Thank you for asking.
All right, it's okay.
And
Because actually, earlier I had a spare time, so that is why I made a decision that at least I'm supposed to have this session. So that is why I'm just over here, as you can see.
wow, that's great, sir. That's great. So you are feeling better, huh?
Exactly. I'm so privileged
Okay.
and honored to be here.
Okay. So, sir, so do I. When I have a conversation with the other person, I feel better, sir.
Hmm.
Okay. So before going to ahead, I would like to know about yourself because we are meeting very first time.
Sure, why not? Uh, Now I just want to let you know something about myself. In fact, my name is Vipin, and in these days, I've been living in Delhi on the purpose of my study and my job. And apart from that, in these days, I've been pursuing BA, Bachelor of Art from Delhi University. Side by side, I'm also doing a job, but also enhancing my communication skills, which is crucial for me. So this is all about myself. I hope now it's your turn, and you are supposed to share something about yourself, like what's your name and what's your qualification and what do you do.
Mm. Really, sir? Actually, your introduction is very remarkable, I would say. So I'm going to
Okay,
start. So, well,
sure.
my name is Israil. I belong to Bihar state, but I'm talking to you from the Kuwait. I'm a pigeon trainer. I'm an English teacher. Okay, and I run YouTube channel where I upload English content. My hobbies are listening song, watching movie, and traveling. Moreover,
Hmm.
okay, I thought that this language is very important for me. That is why I have put my heart and soul into this language. Yeah, that's all about me.
Okay,
Okay.
that's all right. I'm glad to hear that. But actually, would you be mind to let me know one thing? It was spoken by you earlier that you are a teacher. So may I know that what language and what subject do you teach to your children? And are you just proficient in this field or not?
hmm Definitely, sir. When I call to my student, or when I call to my children, so I teach them because it is my responsibility. Because being a father, okay, I have responsibility. So when I call to them, I teach them, sir. Okay, and I love to teach them because I know that what is the value of the English language nowadays. We can see now what everyone is facing problem, and everyone is crazy to learn this language, right?
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly, because as far as I know about this situation and circumstances, because a lot of people and they have gone crazy after learning English and they are just doing so many things at the same time, speaking, listening, writing, so many things at the same time. So I would say because it has been national but also international language. So that is why it is spoken, throughout India and out of
Yeah.
India, there are so many countries and they seem to be speaking and utilizing this language. So that is why a lot of people they have already made a solid advice to themselves to enhance their communication skills. That is why some people are learning.
Definitely, sir. And it is better. It is better. That
Hmm.
we are enhancing, okay, our communication skill. Hmm. And it was it was no national language initially, and earlier, okay, now can say it is national language, sir. Okay. Hmm.
Exactly, no doubt. Okay, so by the way, because we have already spoken, because it has been completed 4 and 5 minutes while
Hmm.
speaking and while discussing casual talk. So had
Hmm.
better for us and we are supposed to create and raise any topic. It would be helpful and imperative for us.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. So, do you have any topic?
So, by the way, we can also discuss about social media because this is one of the most burning issue which is going on in these
Hmm.
days. That why social media is becoming part of humans' life because nowadays a lot of people and they are just unable to survive their life without
Hmm.
using social media, and it has been the greatest part of human life. And why social media is necessary and crucial for everyone.
Definitely, sir, I would say, and I would love to speak on the social media because it is very interesting topic. Because just because social media, sir, we are here, we are learning something, we are enhancing our communication skills. right? Initially, when say we did not have in social media, that is when we could not learn any kind of a skill, right?
Hmm.
In my school time, when I was just 15 years old, at that time social media was not available. So that I wanted to become a a spoken English trainer. I wanted to become a engineer. So I could not become because we did not have online sources. Okay, so now we have everything, and I can say social media is very important for us. Okay,
Okay,
just because social
that's
media,
all.
see, as I told you that I run YouTube channel and upload video on my social media. I make money, and everyone making me. Everyone, I think, lots of people make money, and just because of social media. I have seen
Hmm.
lots of YouTuber. They did not have any YouTube channel, and after that after creating YouTube channel, they start making money, and they feel better when they connect when we connect when they connect with me. After that, one day they told me that Israel, nowadays I'm making money just because of social media. Okay, so we are becoming social fly butter nowadays, and without social media, I think people might not survive. Suppose when you get up in the morning time, think about it. First, we have to take your mobile. We have to
Exactly.
check everything. Huh? Should I get a notification or not? Did I get notification or not? Okay. So we are becoming habitual to use. Okay. But you sir, you must know that how to use. If you know that how to use, after that you get benefit. After that you will not get benefit. We have to understand, because it is advantage and disadvantage. So you must know that how to
Ex-
use. And you can
exactly.
see lots of video are uploading, lots of video are being uploaded, on the social media very bad way. If you are habitual to use, if you are habitual to watch unnecessary thing, so definitely you are going to waste your time, and you can't learn anything. Okay, instead of any skill. Okay, so you must know how to use, and what should I learn. You must know, and how many hours should I use, because if you upload 3 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours,
Hmm.
definitely it is going to effect on you. So you must know sir, about the social media. So,
Okay,
so this
well,
is my point of view. I have more words, but I'm going to give you chance to speak, please.
okay, that's all right. But actually, initially, I just want to let you know that your all points were definitely commendable, no doubt, and it was such a amazing point which was kept by you. Nowadays, a lot of people and they have been addicted while using social media. But some people they have no idea that where should I use social media or not, because social media gives us twice way. The first one is negative, and the second one is positive, and it's all about you if we know that and where we are going to utilize social media. And I just want to give you that social media is one of the most platform where a lot of people they just gather each other. They just share their post and upload their videos. They just try to connect each other. So this is one of the best platform ever, right? But
Hmm.
apart from that, everything has two aspects, as negative and positive. And nowadays, a lot of people and they are
Hmm.
gonna becoming bad just because of social media, because
Hmm.
everything has limit. But nowadays, people are gonna cross their limit. So
Hmm.
it happens.
Hmm. Right, right, definitely, sir. So, do you think that social media it is easy for us?
No, actually, social media is not easy for us, because
Hmm.
nowadays a lot of people and they have no idea that where should I use
Hmm.
social media or not. You must have heard, you must have watched so many news that some people they just try to upload nudity and different kinds of things on social media. They have no idea. They are just totally unaware about this. So at least we should be known that actually what we are doing on social media.
Right. And everyone is using social media, right?
Exactly.
But some people have no idea. Some people don't have idea that how to use and where to use. Okay.
Right. And
So,
apart from that, some people they have already committed the crime on account of social media.
right. And just because of social media, suppose nowadays the war has started between what can I say, Iran and America and Israel. After that, just because of social media, we get to know each and everything, that what is happening in the world, what is happening in India. right now, I am in Kuwait, as I told you that. And what is happening in India, when I get up in the morning time, when I watch any news, then I got to know everything, right, while sitting in the Kuwait. I would, just because of social media. Okay, so we are
Exactly,
consuming lots of things just because of social media, right?
exactly,
We,
exactly.
as you
Let me
said that,
complete. Let me
as you
accomplish.
said that, okay, okay.
Let me complete something, because earlier it was told by you that whenever I just wake up early in the morning and I get
Mhm,
so many news related of war and which is
mhm,
going on nowadays. But the
mhm.
main point is that nowadays we are just consuming and getting 50% fake knowledge, because some videos are being edited with the result of AI,
AI.
artificial intelligence. So that is why
Mhm,
somewhere we are just quite confused. We have no
mhm,
idea, is it real or fake? Some
mhm,
people are being killed, some people are
mhm,
being done atrocity
mhm,
in these days.
mhm,
So that is why
mhm,
somewhere we are
mhm.
just quite confused that what is real and
Right,
what
right.
is fake.
Right, right, definitely. We are not able to think that it is right or not, right?
Mhm.
Because rape is being happened, and so many crime, are being happened in India. Okay, but how can we believe? Because it is true or not? Am I right?
Yes, and
And
apart from,
some
yes.
sometimes media also does not want to show real news. Okay? They
Mhm.
also show some fake news. Do you know? So we
Be-
have to hmm. So we have to
because
know
if
that
I would
it
say,
is.
because
Mm-hmm,
if I would say about Indian media, so
hmm,
I do not believe at all, because I know that they just
hmm,
try to broadcast different kinds of topics and concern, but they are not gonna ready to demonstrate and show off the real issues which is going on in India. Some people, they are gonna say that actually I'm gonna support to Iran. Some people, they are gonna say I'm gonna support to Israel. But in my
hmm,
opinion, nobody is gonna say that actually I'm just gonna support to India. Why? Is it
hmm.
running? Is
But
it running duplicity? Because we have because
okay,
we have
okay.
just nothing because we have
Hmm,
just nothing to do with any country, and
hmm,
because we are citizens of India, so that is why we are supposed to support our
hmm.
country, and we have just nothing to do with any country. Whatever they are doing, it's their matter.
People tell a lie. They don't. They don't. They don't do anything. Okay. Only just tell I'm going to support India and Iran. Sorry,
Right.
America and Iran. Okay. While sitting in India, the people tell I'm going to support. Okay.
Yes.
First of all,
I
if you have courage, then go to America and support.
Yes.
Go to Iran and support. After that, I will get to know that yeah, you have really no power, right?
Exactly, I do agree. I do agree with you 100%, no doubt. Because now people are gonna deliver, inflammatory
Mm,
speech about any country. I'm gonna support, I can do anything, whatever I feel like. I can do sacrifice myself for that country. But they are just screaming, they are just making a noise in India, but they are
mhm,
but they are not gonna support. And if you are gonna support any country, just go at the frontier and just try
mm,
to incorporate
mm,
yourself in any war,
mm,
in any battle.
mm,
So that's when I'll understand about you that you know uh, you are really good supporter.
Lovely. I want to tell you one thing that being an Indian, first we have to support India so that our
Mm,
Indian can develop, right? Because
exactly.
there are many unemployment. They are facing problem. They want to do job, but they don't have job, right? Our government does not think about us, right? So we are going to become we are going to depend in ourselves, right?
Yes.
So
And the another
we
thing
have.
And the another thing is that India has lost India has lost one of the most gem and renowned person. A legend was born in India. His name is APJ Abdul Kalam, and he made a commitment. He made a commitment that our nation should be first. Another thing should be later. Our nation is first priority. But I don't know why some people are gonna support to different country. Have they lost their mind?
Definitely, definitely, mom. Just because of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, they used to call him, and he was called as a scientist, and he was better than a scientist. He had lots of knowledge. He gave lots of things to India. He made
Mm,
missile, drone, so many things. Even though you can say America when the when they, APG even was ready to make a missile. After that, America, said that no, you can't make. But Abdul Kalam said, I can make.
Yes, he
Right?
did it.
So
Finally,
he had.
finally he did it. He nailed it,
Hmm,
and he has done great job.
hmm,
So that is why
right.
our country is not gonna bow down in front of
The
anyone. This is the power of our country. Okay, but actually,
people are people are
let you
not
know
going
one.
to take name. People
Uh,
are not going to take name APG, right? Only they tell like they tell, they did lots of things. They did lots of things. Actually, what the person did, right thing. You have to tell. You have to take their name, right?
Exactly.
Hmm.
No, as far as I know that if somebody has done something for our
Hmm.
nation, for our country, so we need to
Hmm.
take his name proudly.
Hmm.
Whatever situation creates automatically, it doesn't matter. We need to take his name proudly. That's it. Okay, so I would say that actually, my time is just running out because I'm just sitting in my office and I have to
Okay.
just take a leave from here. And it
Hmm.
was such a amazing and wonderful interaction with
Hmm.
you. I hope
Hmm.
that I'll try to join
Definitely,
you
sir.
later on.
Definitely, sir. I would say thank you for giving me your valuable time, and but it was very interesting topic. Okay, I love it, sir, and I love to join again, sir. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Okay, thank you.